Feeling sluggish? Struggling to build muscle? Losing that spark in the bedroom? If you're a man over 35, these aren't just signs of getting older, they could be symptoms of low testosterone. But what if you could naturally support your hormones and reclaim your vitality? In this video, we're cutting through the hype to bring you the science-backed truth about the best testosterone-boosting supplements. Get ready to supercharge your energy, sharpen your focus, and reignite your passion. Let's dive into the world of testosterone and discover how you can take control of your hormonal health. Testosterone. It's not just about muscles and libido. This powerhouse hormone influences nearly every aspect of a man's life. From building lean mass and burning fat to boosting motivation and mental clarity, testosterone is the key to feeling like your best self. But here's the kicker. After 35, your T levels start to decline by 1 to 2% each year. And that's just nature taking its course. Throw in stress, poor sleep, and less than ideal lifestyle choices, and you've got a recipe for accelerated testosterone loss. That's where targeted supplements come in. But with so many options out there, how do you separate the facts from the fads? We've done the research to bring you the top testosterone-boosting supplements that actually work. First up, we have Tongkat Ali, also known as Long Jack. This potent herb has been used for centuries in Southeast Asian medicine to enhance male vitality. Modern research backs up its reputation, showing that Tongkat Ali can boost free testosterone levels and ramp up your libido. As a bonus, it may also help lower cortisol, the stress hormone that competes with testosterone in your body. For best results, aim for 200 to 400 milligrams of standardized extract daily. Next on our list is ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that's been making waves in the wellness world. Not only does it help your body manage stress, but studies suggest it can also increase testosterone levels and improve sperm quality. Plus, it's great for enhancing sleep and mood, two factors that play a crucial role in hormonal balance. Look for KSM, 66 or sensoril extracts, and take 300 to 600 milligrams daily for optimal benefits. Don't overlook the power of essential minerals. Zinc is a crucial player in testosterone production, and deficiency can lead to low T levels, especially in active men. Aim for 15 to 30 milligrams daily, preferably as zinc picolinate or glycinate for better absorption. Magnesium is another mineral superhero for testosterone. It helps increase free testosterone by reducing SHBG, a protein that binds to testosterone and makes it unavailable for use. As an added bonus, magnesium supports better sleep and recovery. Take 200 to 400 milligrams daily, especially before bed, to maximize its benefits. Rounding out our top 5 is vitamin D3. Often called this sunshine vitamin, D3 actually functions more like a hormone in the body. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to low testosterone, so supplementing can be a game changer, especially if you don't get much sun exposure. Aim for 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily, and consider getting your levels checked by a doctor to determine the right dosage for you. But wait, there's more. While those are our top picks, there are a few other supplements worth mentioning that could give your T levels an extra boost. Fenugreek is an herb that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Some studies suggest it may help increase testosterone levels and improve body composition. A typical dose is 500 milligrams of standardized extract daily. D-aspartic acid, or DAA, is an amino acid that plays a role in testosterone production. While research is mixed, some men report significant benefits from short-term use. If you want to give it a try, stick to 2 to 3 grams daily for no more than 12 weeks at a time. Last but not least, we have boron. This trace mineral has shown promise in boosting free testosterone levels and reducing inflammation. A dose of 5 to 10 milligrams per day is typically recommended. Now let's address some frequently asked questions about testosterone boosters. Are these supplements safe? While the supplements we've discussed are generally considered safe for most men, It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. How long does it take to see results? This can vary depending on the individual and the supplement, but most men report noticing improvements in energy and libido within 2 to 4 weeks. Changes in body composition and strength may take longer, typically 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Can I take all of these supplements together? While it's possible to combine some of these supplements, it's generally not necessary or recommended to take them all at once. Start with 1 or 2 that align with your specific needs and goals, and adjust as needed. Will these supplements increase my testosterone to superphysiological levels? No, these natural supplements are designed to support your body's own testosterone production and optimize your levels within a healthy, natural range. They won't boost your T levels to the extreme highs associated with anabolic steroids. Here are some additional tips to maximize the effectiveness of your testosterone boosting efforts. 1. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your body produces most of its testosterone during deep sleep cycles. 2. Manage stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormones. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga into your daily routine. 3. Lift heavy. Resistance training, especially compound exercises like squats and deadlifts, can naturally boost testosterone production. 4. Clean up your diet. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Limit processed foods and excessive alcohol consumption. 5. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for overall health and hormone balance. Aim for at least half your body weight in ounces of water daily. 6. Get regular checkups. Have your testosterone levels tested periodically, especially if you're experiencing symptoms of low T. This can help you and your healthcare provider make informed decisions about your health. Remember, while supplements can be a powerful tool in your testosterone boosting arsenal, they're not a magic bullet. The most effective approach combines targeted supplementation with a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. It's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen or making significant changes to your lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the nutrient link for more science-based nutrition and supplement advice. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of health and wellness with evidence-backed information you can trust. Thanks for watching. And here's to reclaiming your vitality and living your best life at any age. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and stay awesome.